Nitin Gadkari, we strong JRE and NFF strongly condemn Nitin Gadkari's statement. He's saying that marina and seaplane will benefit the traditional fishermen. My question is, when the marina is going to destroy the ecology of the state and the seaplanes equally will destroy the ecology of the state, how will the traditional fishermen earn double? Nitin Gadkari first should understand that his own MLAs, that is Vishnu Wagh, and his minister Malina Saldana has opposed marinas in the state of Goa and the seaplanes. So how is he making contradictory statement against his own MLAs and minister and against his own department? When his own department, like the biodiversity, states that both the sites are ecologically fragile, and the oysters and there are high quantity of oysters which are engineers to the ecosystem and the river ecology of the state. So how is he talking about that the traditional fishermen are going to earn double? If at all Nitin Gadkari is interested in the traditional fishermen of Goa and India, then he should first implement the BJP national policy on fishing and fishermen, which BJP had promised to us that they will fulfill this in toto when they win. But till date nothing has happened, and only false promises have been given by the center and by this Nitin Gadkari, that stating that seaplanes and marinas are going to benefit the state of Goa. Nitin Gadkari should first understand that in his own state, that is in Nasik, in Mumbai, that seaplanes have been opposed, and the same way it has been opposed in Kerala and LP and also in Goa. So after the opposition from all the section of the society, this minister is making a statement that in favor of marina and seaplane. We strongly condemn, and if Nitin Gadkari and if the center and the state goes ahead with this project, we'll definitely come on the street and fight against this project.
Gadkari सांगता आमका seaplane आणि marina हाडटा म्हण, आनी आमी नुस्तें खूंय मारपाचें, तेंचे व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो बोटी येतो थिंगा, आनी आमी तेजे विरोध करतले.
मरीना सीप्लेन हाडूंक सोदता हिंगा गोंयांत. आतां आमी 2000 फिशरमॅन आसा. ते 2000 फिशरमॅन ते मरीना काम करतले. ते कितें करून काम करतले? मरीना बोट धुवपाक कितें कसलें काम ते आमकां खबर ना. ते आमकां मरीना और सीप्लेन आमकां गोंयांत नाका. आमी फिशरमॅन सामके रस्ते पडटले आनी आमी फिशरमॅन रोडा येतले.